Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the grammar portion in which I have completed the chapter number 2, that is noun, the naming word. Dear student, today we will discuss that is literature portion. The name of the book is Open Sky, in which I have also completed the poem Daffodils, that is chapter number 1. And I have also completed the exercises given in the chapter 1. Dear student, today we will discuss the chapter number 2, that is now Nandu and the charcoal. Dear student, this is a story of a boy, Nandu, and he was trying to change the color of the charcoal. Dear students, we all know what is charcoal. Charcoal is a kind of substance of black color that is made by the burning woods. Okay, so it is given at the page number 15. Now just open the book. Everyone open the book, Open Skies, page number 15. We will read the chapter Nandu and the charcoal. I will also explain line by line. So just see Nandu. Dear students, in this story there is a boy. The name of the boy is Nandu, who wanted to change the color of the charcoal, because he was thinking that in this world everything is colorful. The bird is colorful, the house is colorful, and the flowers are colorful. But why the charcoal is black? Therefore, he wanted to change the color of the charcoal. Okay? And what he do for that, we will read in this story. Now, just see here. Nandu was a village boy. He did not like to go to school. He was living in a village. He was a village boy, and he does not like to go to school. He does not like to go to school. Most of the times he missed his school, and most of the time he missed his school. He moved here and there, but he does not go to school because he was not interested in study. Most of the time he missed his school and would pass his time by playing games. And he was passing his time by playing games and doing silly. Silly means foolish work. Silly means here, students, silly means foolish or stupid. You can say stupid word. Silly means foolish. Okay? Most of the time he missed his school and would pass his time by playing games and doing silly. Silly means foolish activities, silly and stupid activities. He spent his maximum time by doing silly and stupid activities. He was not interested in study. He does not like to go to school. Now, because of this, his parents were much concerned. Much concerned means much anxious, much worried, concerned. Just see here the meaning of concern. Concern means stupid. Worried. Worried or anxious. Just here. Because of this, his parents were much concerned about him, and he was not interested in study. He does not like to go to school. He was always doing silly and stupid activities. Therefore, his parents was very much concerned, very much anxious, very much worried about it, that why his son is not focusing on study. Okay, student, this is the paragraph number 1. Now come to the next paragraph. One day Nandu was going towards the market. One day Nandu was going towards the market, and he was going to the market. On the way he saw a piece of charcoal. On the way he saw a piece of charcoal. And charcoal, you all know, it is a kind of substance that is of black color, that is made by the firewood, burning wood. Just see. He saw a piece of charcoal laying on the roadside. Nandu saw a piece of charcoal that was laying on the roadside. He stood looking at it. He stand there, and he was continuously just looking at it. He stood looking at it. He was standing there for looking the piece of the charcoal. On the way, when he was going to market, he saw a piece of charcoal and he was just watching this charcoal surprisingly. Okay, come to the next paragraph. He said, oh, he was feeling sad. Oh is the sign of sorrow. Here, oh, why this charcoal is so black? He was asking, he was saying to himself that why the color of this charcoal is black. Everything in this world is colorful. He was saying to himself that everything in this world is colorful. Everything in this world is colorful. Birds, like birds are colorful. Flowers are colorful. Houses are also colorful, etc. But this poor charcoal, why can't it be white? Why can't it be white? He was asking to himself that why the color of this charcoal is not white? Why the color of the charcoal is so black? Although everything in this world is so colorful, the birds are colorful, the flowers are colorful, the houses are colorful, but why only the charcoal is black? It is not colorful. Why is it not white? I must help it to become white. And he decided, Nandu decided to make the color of that charcoal white. He decided to turn the color of that charcoal into white. And for that, he did a lot of work. He did hard work. He wasted his time as well as his energy too for changing the color of the charcoal. Now, see the next paragraph. A villager passing by noticed Nandu talking to piece of the charcoal. A villagers was going through that way, and he saw that Nandu was talking to whom? He saw that Nandu was talking to the charcoal. That is not living thing. So he was surprised. And now, turn the pages, student, page number 16. Nandu, now the villager asked to him, the villager asked to the Nandu. What he asked? Nandu, what are you doing? Asked the villager. The villager asked to him, what are you doing, Nandu? To whom are you talking to? Now, the Nandu said, brother, look at this poor charcoal. He was showing that charcoal. He was saying to that villagers, brother, look at this poor charcoal. It is so black. And he was saying, Nandu was saying to the man, saying to the villager that you can see the color of the charcoal is black. Certainly you can. Can you tell me how can I make it white? And Nandu was also asking to the villagers that can you tell me the way by which we can change the color of that charcoal? How can it make it white? Okay? Just see the next paragraph. Amused. Amused means feeling happy. Amused means feeling happy. It is not working. Now see. Amused. Amused means happy. Feeling happy. Feeling happy. Okay, students? So, just see. Now the villager, by amusing, by feeling happy, he said, what he said? At the Nandu's question, he was also understand that he was doing silver. He is stupid. And at that, the villagers laughed or amused at the Nandu's question, and he said, and the villager said, what he said? Certainly you can. And the villager says that certainly, really, indeed you can change the color of the charcoal. But how? It's quite simple. The man was saying, the villager was saying, it is so simple to change the color of that charcoal. What he said? Just wash it with milk. Now he suggested, the villager suggested him to wash the charcoal with the milk, and it will become white. Then it will become white. The villager suggested Nandu to make it white by washing the charcoal with milk. Then it will be changed into white. Although it was not correct, but the man said, the villager said to him. Now Nandu accept his word. He believed his word, believed on his words. So what he did? Nandu went to the milkman. Now Nandu went to the milkman and brought a bucket of milk. Now he brought a bucket of milk. He went to the milkman and brought a bucket of milk, and he dipped. Dipped means put something into the liquid. Dipped means dubona. He dipped the piece of charcoal in the milk. He dipped the piece of that charcoal in the milk. Okay, students? Just see here. He dipped the charcoal. Just see. He dipped the piece of charcoal in the milk and rubbed it with his hand to wash out. And he also rubbed that charcoal to wash off the color of that charcoal. Wash up its black color. The milkman was stunned. Stunned means astonished. Astonished means surprised. Now see. The milkman was stunned. Stunned means astonished. You can write here. Stunned. It is given here. Sorry. Stunned means astonished or surprised. Okay? Just see. Now, the milkman was astonished to see this. Milkman saw that Nandu was dipping the charcoal into the milk, and it was also washing. It was rubbing. He was also rubbing the piece of charcoal into the milk. And now he said, the milkman said, what he said? Hey, what are you doing? The milkman said to the Nandu that, what are you doing? Are you in your sense? Are you in your sense? Have you gone mad? You have spoiled a bucket full of milk with this charcoal. And the milkman said that he spoiled all the milks. He spoiled a bucket full milks with this little charcoal. Look, the milk has turned black. Now he said to him that you can see that now the milk has become black. The milk has turned into the black. but your charcoal did not become white. The color of the charcoal did not change. Are you mad? He was saying, the man was saying, the milkman was saying to whom? To the Nandu. Now, just see the next paragraph, students. Okay? Just see here. Brother, this poor charcoal is so black now. Again, the Nandu was saying to the milkman that, brother, you can see the color of this charcoal is so black. This poor charcoal is so black. And the Nandu was saying to the milkman that the color of the charcoal, you can see this poor charcoal is so black. Why should it be like this? Why should it be like this? Why should it be like the milk? I want to make it white, said Nandu. Nandu said to the milkman that he wants to make the piece of the charcoal white. He wants to turn the color of the charcoal. Now, the milkman could not control his laughter. Now, after hearing the words of the Nandu, that was foolish activities, that was foolish talk, and the milkman couldn't control his laughter. He was started laughing after hearing the words of the Nandu. And the milkman could not control his laughter, and he laughed and laughed. He was continuously laughing and laughing only on his foolish activities. He said, this is not the way to wash up its black color. And now the milkman said to him that this is not the good way, this is not the correct way to wash off the color of this charcoal. You must scrub it. You must scrub it. He said, you must scrub it. And the milkman also suggested, the villager suggested him to dip it into the milk. Now the milkman suggested again to the Nandu that to scrub it. Where? To scrub it with soap and water. And the milkman suggested him to scrub that piece of charcoal with soap and water. Then the color of this charcoal will be changed. Now just see here. You must scrub it with soap and water. Then only its black color will go. And it will be clean. And the milkman said that if you will rub it, if you will wash it with the soap, then only the color of this charcoal will go, and it will turn into the white. The milkman suggested. In the beginning, the villager suggested him to dip that charcoal into the milk. But here again the milkman was suggesting him to wash it with the soap and water. Now again he was doing the same thing. Good idea, a very good idea indeed. Nandu was thinking that the milkman was saying correct, and he was believing in him. He went and he said that good idea, that is really a good idea indeed, means really here a very good idea indeed, said Nandu. Nandu said that really it is very good idea. Immediately he ran towards the water tap nearby, and immediately he ran towards the water tap that was nearby, and taking a piece of soap, and by taking the piece of soap which was laying there, that was already laying there, the soap was already laying there near the tap, water tap. Taking the piece of the soap which was laying there, he started washing the charcoal. He started washing the charcoal. The soap turned black. Now he was washing that piece of charcoal, but the soap turned black. But the color of that charcoal did not turn into white. Okay? Taking the piece of soap with laying there, he started washing the charcoal. The soap turned black, the water turned black. The soap turned black, the water turned black, but the piece of charcoal did not turn into white. Okay, students? Just here. The soap turned black, the water turned black. Even his clothes become dirty, and his clothes also become dirty. But the color of that charcoal did not change. The soap turned black, the water turned black, even his clothes become dirty, but the charcoal remained black. But the charcoal remained black. It did not turn into white. It did not turn its color. A woman who came to fetch water. A woman came there near the water tap to fetch water, to take water. Who came to fetch water watched Nandu with amazement. And that woman watched Nandu with amazement. Amazement means surprisingly. With surprise. She was watching that what the Nandu was doing. What the Nandu is doing. Now, what are you doing, Nandu? The woman asked. The woman asked to him that, what are he doing? What is he doing? Are you giving a bath to this piece of charcoal? Are you giving a bath to this poor charcoal? This black charcoal? Asked the woman. The woman asked to him that, are you giving a bath to this charcoal? Then the Nandu replied, no sister, I am trying to make it white. And Nandu replied that he was trying to change the color of that charcoal into white. The poor charcoal is so black. And Nandu was saying that you can see this poor charcoal is so black, whereas other things are white and beautifully colored. And he was saying that other things are white and beautifully colored, but the color of this charcoal is so black, it is so poor. And as replied Nandu, Nandu said to the old woman, Nandu said to the woman that he wants to change the color of that charcoal, because everything in this world is colorful, but only the charcoal is black. This poor charcoal is black. Okay? Now see. After hearing the words of Nandu, okay students, you tick on that here at the page number 16. Up to this I have taught you up to this. Okay, you tick on here up to Nandu. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the other exercises also, this and this exercises, not exercises, that is this paragraph, these paragraph we will discuss. Okay students, so this is all for today. Dear students, you will read this story once again by your own, and your homework is to complete the word meaning. Your homework is, that is already given in your book. Learn and write the word meaning of this chapter number 2. Okay students, this is your homework. Those who have already written, they will not write, they will only learn the meaning of given words. That is already given at the page number, it is already given at the page number 17. Okay students, you will learn the word meaning. Okay, those who did not write, they will write with the help of books. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next class we will discuss the rest paragraphs. Okay, thank you.